Understanding superheat and subcooling is key to keeping your air conditioning or refrigeration system running smooth without burning out your compressor or wasting energy. So, superheat is basically how much the refrigerant vapor has heated up after it evaporates in the coil, and subcooling is how much the liquid refrigerant cools down below its condensation point before it heads back to the expansion valve. When you've got a fixed orifice system, monitoring superheat is super important because it helps you know if there's enough refrigerant flowing through. If the superheat's too high, it means the refrigerant's boiling off too early or there's not enough refrigerant. This can lead to compressor damage because it's sucking in hot gas instead of cool liquid. On the flip side, if superheat is too low, you might have too much refrigerant, which can flood the compressor and cause other issues. Adjusting the system charge based on superheat readings keeps everything balanced and protects your system. Subcooling helps confirm that the condenser is doing its job and the refrigerant is properly condensed before expansion. Both measurements work together to make sure your system's efficient, avoids unnecessary wear, and prevents costly repairs. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fixed orifice systems is ignoring superheat readings, which can lead to compressor burnout. Fix that by regularly checking and adjusting refrigerant charge. Another common issue is overcharging or undercharging refrigerant, which messes with both superheat and subcooling. The fix here is to follow manufacturer specs and use precise measuring tools. A third problem is not recognizing when subcooling is off, which could mean condenser problems or airflow issues. Addressing this means cleaning coils and making sure fans are working properly. Keeping an eye on these factors helps avoid system failures and keeps your cooling running efficiently. BigHomeProjects.com is a great resource if you want to connect with reliable local contractors who know their stuff about HVAC systems. It also helps contractors find steady work by matching them with homeowners needing their expertise.